Fluid Expert Advisor can trade automatically, or it trades manually, or it needs manual intervention, and so on. Basically, it doesn't need. It can trade automatically if you want. But I will explain you how I trade with this using this Fluid Expert Advisor. And I must say that lately I'm trading exclusively using this Fluid Expert Advisor because because I like it, and because I'm a trend trader, and this Expert Advisor does well the job for me. As a trend trader, basically what we need is a trend detector. Some people still struggle to find to decide whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, and here this Expert Advisor comes in to help. We need precise entry and exit signals, of course, and those would be the swings if you follow the trend, and the basket management if you hedge the trade, or even if you don't hedge, and if you want to open multiple trades, the Expert Advisor can do it for you. And by the way, you have the option, the latest version of this Expert Advisor, to use a classic stop loss or to hedge a basket of opposite trades, let's say a losing trade, so it will always close in profit, or at least at break even. Yeah, I know it sounds like a holy grail, but it's just trading. Now, how I trade using this Expert Advisor. Again, you can set it and forget it, but I don't recommend this to anyone, because sooner or later something might happen. Either it will open a basket of trades that will take too long, and I'm sure it will. I know it will close it in at break even at least. Still, I don't want to have baskets open for too long. I will show you what I mean. I have a live example right now on my testing platform that I'm using. So, how I'm trading. I usually have the Expert Advisor set to false on all charts. Allow sell and allow buy set to false. Now, what is important, I think, it's even if you trade 100% automatically, if you are thinking about something to make money for you, even if you want to do this, probably you will still check the charts one time per day, at least just for curiosity. So I like to combine this automatic trading with manual trading. Okay, I don't want to set this to true. Let's say allow it to buy and sell whenever it wants, and then just leave, because I will check the charts anyway, and by checking the charts daily, this is all you need to do, check one time or two times per day to find the right entry, to find the right time when you should activate the Expert Advisor and then leave. It only takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes to check the charts and set this to true or false, and then leave. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. As I said, I think you do this anyway. Maybe you lose even more time in front of the trading terminal. Again, this is how I do it. So I check the charts. I'm trading only 8 charts. This is on my preference. You can trade anything you want. I'm trading forex 8 charts only. That's enough for me. And I arrange them to be opposite charts, like this. The Australian dollar, US dollar, it's opposite to the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Basically, if the first one is going down, as you can see, the other one goes up, and the other is the same. Euro dollar, dollar crown, a pound dollar, yes, yeah, not exactly the same, but anyway. Euro, pound, and pound, Swiss crown, exactly opposite. Let's start with the last one. So now it's morning. I just woke up and I'm checking the charts. Should I set the Expert Advisor to buy or to sell? On the pound Swiss chart, I really don't know. We had a nice downtrend before in December. Then this year it looks like, come on, freeze now. Then this year it looks like it started um, to become an uptrend, but now it's dropping again. So I don't know. I will just wait for the price to maybe to go under this level to make sure it's a downtrend again. The lowest low, the previous lowest low. Here I'm doing nothing. The opposite charts, euro, pound. This is a little different. The price already resumed up, and it looks like we already have an uptrend. But again, I do not set the. I remind you, I'm a trend trader. I do not set the expert advisor to buy now, because, well, I'm on the top of the peak. You know, that's another highest high. Maybe it's forming. I don't want to buy when the price it's already high, and it will possibly drop. What I'm looking for is a drop in price of at least 50 pips, and I'm waiting to buy or to not to buy. I'm waiting to activate the expert advisor to let it buy somewhere here. And if this happens, I set the allow buy and allow sell to true, and I leave. And by the way, if you are hedging using the hedge fluid method, you should leave this. You must have allow sell to true, also. Otherwise, the expert advisor will not open opposite hedging trades. So again, I'm waiting for the swing to happen. I'm waiting for the highest low to happen. Right now, this move, I'm too late. It's already over. USD. The dollar yen, sorry, USD dollar Japanese yen. Here it's about to form. We had the lowest low before. The price now it's rising slowly. I would like to see it rise a little more, maybe until the this ATR candles will change the color. Sorry. By the way, this is a preference of mine. I don't need to use the ATR candles. The expert advisor doesn't use them in any way. I'm just saying, if you are using other indicators to help you detect the trend, detect the swings, you are free to use them. And you can also deactivate the trend completely in the expert advisor, the trend detector. And if you do this, the expert advisor will open buys and sells only based on the non-lag moving average, when it will change the color from black to white, buy, white to black, sell, black to white, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, something like that. But again, I find this precise enough, this trend detector, so I'm using it. And as I said, this price, this move high now, it's 45 pips already. I would like it to be even higher. So I personally, I'm using another indicator. This, as I said, RobotFX ATR candles. When I will have a swing high big enough, the candles will change the color from the colors I chose. Can change them from this red to green. And by default, the ATR settings are 10.1.7. Change them if you want. So it will soon be the time to activate the expert advisor here, but it is not now. Later, maybe in the evening. Or maybe I'll check the charts after 3-4 hours to see what happened. Next, the pound US dollar. The pound US dollar is almost the same. We had the lowest low before. I want this high here, the swing high. It's not strong enough for me. I want to see at least 50 pips, as I said, at least somewhere here, I think, or 60 in this case. So I will like to activate the expert advisor somewhere at this level. If the price will reach this level, let's see if it will rise, this will happen. If it will drop down, never mind. There are other charts. We are playing with probabilities, and this is very important. But we try to have as many chances as we have in our favor. So nothing to do now. So far, the US dollar yen, possible entry a few hours later or anytime I check the charts later. US dollar crown. US dollar crown has a nice uptrend, or it had a nice uptrend. It still has an uptrend, but it has a strong down momentum, and the price looks like for the last 3 hours it's still dropping. Plus, the latest highest high, it encountered here some level. It didn't. It bounced from it. It made some kind of double top. Well, not exactly a double top, but anyway, the price hit this level and it didn't manage to break it. And now, to be honest, I'm not sure if the trend will change or not. I think if it will, I will wait a little longer. If it will drop below 1, if it will not drop below 1, sorry, then I will activate the expert advisor to buy. If it will drop below 1, I will wait. Probably at that point the moving averages, the exponential moving averages would have intersected already, and the expert advisor will not open any buys anyway. The same with the Euro USD. Since these two are opposite pairs, one is going down, the other one is going up. We have some kind of double bottom here, and I don't know if the trend will change to up or it will resume the down move. I could try a sell on Euro USD now. The spread is smaller than the US crown, but it looks like a little risky. So I think I'll better prepare for the US dollar yen, which it's increasing its move high. Next, the US dollar Canadian dollar. Very nice uptrend. It seems like it will never stop. Anyway, here I just lost the latest swing. I should have activated the expert advisor here. This happened during the night time, probably, I don't know, early in the morning. I was sleeping. Anyway, it slipped. Now it's too late. The move already happened, or it's in the middle somewhere. I don't want to buy here. As I said, I wanted to buy here. At this point, I'm only waiting for the price to go up, form another swing down, and I'll be ready to activate the expert advisor somewhere here. And it will buy because I follow the trend, and I saved the worst for the last. This is how the expert advisor manages losing trades. By the way, I'm using the hedging is enabled, but I'm using the hedge fluid option. That means that the expert advisor will open these opposite trades depending on the trend. So previously I had the 3 buys open, as you can see them up here. 1, 2, 3. Then the expert advisor, when the trend dropped, from this point dropped, the price went below the slow moving average, and both and the two exponential moving averages intersected almost at the same point, and from this point the expert advisor considered only buying, because this is how the expert advisor sees the downtrend: price below the slow moving average and the fast moving average below the slow moving average. And by the way, these are settings you can change. All this is all this you can change. You can completely deactivate the trend. You can change the slow moving average. You can change the fast moving average to match your chart and your time frame. So the expert advisor started to open hedging trades, opposite trades of a much higher higher lot size, and this lot size what does it mean? It means that now if the price will drop, now since when the price drops, the profit of all this basket of trades will increase. Right now it's negative, of course. The real profit is here at negative $75. If it drops, the price will increase until eventually it will reach the minimum profit of $1. The minimum profit is when it will be reached, the expert advisor will close all these trades, will close the basket. And there is also the option to open, if you set this to true, extra initial lots trades. The expert advisor will open another trades based on the trend, in this case sells, shorts, will open another short trades of this initial lot size 0.01. Now it is not the time to open a trade because it's almost at the lowest low here, but I will wait for the price to form the same as a normal trading, to form another swing high and low, and maybe change the ATR candles will change the color, and then I will know, like here or here, that it's time to sell, and that will be, then it will be the time to activate that extra initial lot size, and the expert advisor will open another sell of 0.01. Of course you can change this too. As I said, this is my testing testing terminal, account testing terminal, and here I'm testing this Fluid expert advisor, and I'm so far I'm impressed and very happy with it. It looks like it can do anything a trader needs to do. Okay, this is it, and I hope you understood, and I hope you also understood that this is how I trade with this RobotFX Fluid expert advisor, because I follow the trend. This is I follow the trend, me, and I hedge me again. And you can customize it to do whatever you want, and you can use it in many other ways. Maybe only for trade management, for basket management, or only for the entry signals, or maybe only for the trend detector you choose. This is it. I hope you got my idea, and if not, check the website, read the settings, watch the other videos, watch the pictures, and you will understand how the Robot Expert Advisor trades, how it thinks and how it manages